The biggest milestone was moving from graphic design to UI/UX design and building digital products that improved user experience, which helped me advance my career and increase my professional opportunities. Yeah, I got a hike of 40 to 50.
So it was great that I have been through Intellipaat, like I have been achieved something where it helped me in career progression. I just included all the certifications which I have done in LinkedIn and also in my portfolio as well. And yeah, it also helped me in getting the non-IT zone to the IT.
Working as a UX design manager at Material Plus, where I'm working with. It's a service-based company, and I'm working as a UX designer. I'm leading a team of some 6-7 designers here. In the past, I've worked with advertising, from where I pivoted to product design. I got somewhere around, yeah, it's close to 40 only. I mean, it's 40%.
The course has helped me in multiple ways. I was switched from UI UX designer to product designer. It also achieved a 30% hike in my CTC.
After completing the course, I got an opportunity with PAD. 30% I have gained when it compares to previous career.
And I've recently joined Vitana as a senior UX designer. In terms of growth and career-wise, monetary benefit, I got a 2x growth. I was earning around 10 lakh per annum, and now I'm earning 20 lakh per annum. So that's a 2x growth for me.